If you like potato bake with bacon, cream, cheese, garlic, a little bit of onion, bro, this is the recipe for you. Yeah, get around it. Honestly, this is bananas good. This is fucking amazing. In my opinion, as a side dish, you can't get much better than a good old potato bake. Creamy, soft potatoes, bacon, crispy cheese on top, and savory notes from an onion that melts away after a long cook. This will be a quick and easy video because this is a quick and easy recipe. So simple, it's bulletproof. And so tasty, you'll have to implement a level of willpower to not just put this thing away. Like in the first serving. Like, this comes out the oven, that's gone. Like, it's fucking that good. The prep is as basic as they come. Cut your potato into 5mm slices. I like to put it straight into the tray as I cut. Saves on time and saves on dirtying another dish. Also, I like to use a disposable baking tray, just purely out of convenience. For the video, I should have done something nicer, but this is home cooking basics. This is what we do. This is basic cooking. I don't want to spend 5 minutes cleaning a really nice ceramic or glass baking dish. Once we're done, we just bin this thing. Add half the potato in a flat layer, trying to close any gaps. Then sprinkle on a layer of onion, as thick as you would like, but remember that these will lose their crunch and just add a mild, savory, yet little sweet flavour, so you could probably go a little heavier than you think. Finish by topping with the other half of the potato. It doesn't need to be perfect, just get a solid layer. Mix in the milk, the cream, and any seasoning you would like. You can use stock powder, barbecue dry rub, or any flavour combinations from your spice cabinet. I usually go pretty basic: salt, pepper. I've found it better to bake this recipe uncovered. If you put a lid on this, it's going to trap any steam that rises, and it's going to make it too wet at the final result when the potatoes are perfectly cooked. If you cook it uncovered, the potatoes will absorb most of that cooking liquid by the time the potatoes are softened nicely. Any liquid left over will be like a rich, creamy, thick, creamy goodness, which is exactly what you want. In a preheated 200°C oven, bake for around 45 minutes. But as soon as it's in the oven, start prepping your topping. Dice up your bacon into relatively large slices, remembering that bacon shrinks when cooked, so go larger than you want the final product to be. Once you've done that, put aside. Finally, dice the garlic and put that aside as well. Over a medium to low heat, cook the bacon to your preferred doneness. I like to go till it just starts to get crispy, but there's still a little chew, at least 10 minutes. Just before you're happy with the bacon, chuck in the garlic. It'll only need a minute or so, plus the garlic will cook and mellow out a little more in the oven. Once that's done, turn off the heat and wait for your potato bake to be done. Just leave it on the stove and get on with your life until that potato bake has hit 45 minutes. After around 45 minutes, remove the bake from the oven. Top with the bacon and garlic mixture, Then on top of that, put some cheese of your choosing. I just use tasty cheddar, pretty standard affair. Return the bake to the oven and cook until the top is golden brown. This could take another 10 minutes. Now this has taken about an hour of mostly passive cooking, and you've made the ultimate side dish that friends and family will rave about. Savory, starchy, creamy with a hint of sweetness. And it's just so easy to do. No technical equipment or kitchen techniques needed. Enjoy. 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 Fucking enjoy it. Are you enjoying it? You better be. Enjoy. Enjoy.